Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about module number 4, that is underground cables. Here we are going to discuss about problems on capacitance of a single core cable. So let us discuss about that problems on capacitance of a single core cable. Go through the problem number 1. A single core cable has a conductor diameter of 1 centimeter and internal sheath diameter of 1.8 centimeter. If impregnated paper of relative permittivity 4 is used as the insulation, calculate the capacitance for 1 kilometer length of the cable. So here we have to calculate the capacitance for 1 kilometer length of the cable. Let us write down the given data, what is given for us. So here they given that core cable has a diameter of 1 centimeter. So core cable diameter they given, so small d is equal to 1 centimeter they given, and internal sheath diameter capital D is equal 1.8 centimeter. Then impregnated paper of relative permittivity, so relative permittivity epsilon r is equal, value they given 4. So we have to calculate that capacitance for L value they given 1 kilometer. So L is equal 1 kilometer. So we can write into 1000 meters. So L value. So we have to calculate that capacitance. Na? So the formula for capacitance of the given single core cable. Therefore C is equal epsilon r into L divided by 41.4 into log of base 10 into capital D divided by small d into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads. So here I am going to substitute all the data like epsilon r value 4, L value 1000 and capital D value it is 1.8 divided by small d value 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So the value of C after doing simplification, here we got that C is equal 0.378 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farads. 10 to the power of minus 6 means engineering value, we can express it as the unknown capacitance of a given single core cable, that is C is equal 0.378 microfarads. Next, let us go through that one more problem. Problem number 2. Calculate the capacitance and charging current. Calculate the capacitance and charging current of a single core cable used on a 3-phase 66 kV system. The cable is 1 kilometer long, having a core diameter of 10 centimeter and an impregnated paper insulation of thickness 7 centimeter. The relative permittivity of the insulation may be taken as 4 and the supply at 50 Hz. So according to the given problem, we have to calculate two things here. One is calculate the capacitance. So one is we have to calculate the capacitance, and the second one is we have to find out the charging current due to the capacitance. So we have to calculate two parameters here, and the system is a 3-phase power transmission system, and the line voltage VL they given 66 kV. The cable length L is equal 1 kilometer. Diameter of the core, that means small d is equal 10 centimeters. Then diameter of the insulation capital D is equal 7 centimeter. The relative permittivity epsilon r is equal 4 and supply frequency F is equal 50 Hz they given at here. So as we know that to calculate that unknown parameter, that is capacitance of the cable, C is equal to epsilon r into L divided by 41.4 into log of base 10 into capital D divided by small d into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads. So as we know that the given data epsilon r is equal 4. So we know that epsilon r, that is relative permittivity, is equal 4 from the given problem, and length of the transmission line they given L is equal 1 kilometer they given, that is 1000 meters L value, and small d, that is nothing but diameter of that core of the cable 10 centimeters, and capital D is equal to, here capital D value directly they are not given, they given that impregnated paper insulation of thickness value they given 7 centimeter. So if I want to calculate that, capital D is nothing but small d plus 2 times into its thickness. So capital D is equal 10 plus 2 into 7. So 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 10, 24 centimeters, that is capital D. Now here I am going to substitute all the values in the given formula of capacitance. Unknown parameter C is equal epsilon r into L, 4 into 1000 divided by 41.4 into log of base 10 into capital D, 24 divided by small d, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 9. After doing simplification here we got the answer. The capacitance C is equal 0.254 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farads. So here 10 to the power of minus 6 means we can write it as a microfarads, that is 0.254 microfarads. According to the given problem here we are calculated that the unknown capacitance of a given three-phase transmission system for an underground cable. Now we have to calculate still that capacitor current, that is nothing but charging current. So I want to calculate the charging current IC. IC is nothing but V phase divided by XC. So in the given problem they given that voltage is a line voltage VL 66 kV they given. So I want to calculate the phase voltage. So phase voltage is equal line voltage divided by root 3. It becomes line voltage they given 66 kilovolts divided by root 3. It becomes 38.1 kilovolts. Now I am going to substitute in the place of charging current, that is IC is equal V phase divided by XC. So V phase means just now we are calculated that answer is 38.1 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by XC nothing but 1 by 2 pi FC. So from here after doing simplification the value has been, we got 38.1 into 10 power 3 into 2 pi FC. So IC is equal 38.1 into 10 power 3 into 2 pi into frequency is 50 hertz they given in the problem, and the capacitance value just now we are calculated, that is 0.254 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So after doing simplification here the charging current IC here we got 3.04 amperes. Next, go through that one more problem, that is problem number 3. A 33 kV 50 hertz 3-phase underground cable 4 kilometers long uses 3 single core cables. Each of the conductor has a diameter of 2.5 centimeter and the radial thickness of insulation is 0.5 centimeter. Determine first one capacitance of the cable per phase, second one charging current per phase, total charging kilovolt ampere reactance, the relative permittivity of the insulation, that is epsilon r value they given, that is 3. So according to the given problem here we have to calculate that capacitance of the cable per phase. So the formula C is equal epsilon r into L divided by 41.4 into log of base 10 into capital D divided by small d into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads. In the given problem the relative permittivity of the conductor epsilon r is equal to 3 and core diameter they given 2.5 centimeter and length of the underground cable they given 4 kilometers, that means 4000 meters, and thickness of the insulating material they given that 0.5. So the diameter of that outer cylinder, that is capital D, is equal inner diameter 2.5 plus 2 into 0.5. So here we got 3.5 centimeters, that is capital D, that is nothing but diameter of outer cylinder. Next, all these values here we are going to substitute in the unknown parameter like capacitance of the underground cable per phase. Therefore C is equal epsilon r into L divided by 41.4 into log of base 10 into capital D divided by small d into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads. Here epsilon r means I can substitute value 3, and L is nothing but 4000 meters divided by 41.4 into log of base 10 into capital D is nothing but 3.5 divided by small d is nothing but 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So capital C is equal to, here we got 1984 into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads. Now here we are calculated that unknown capacitance per phase, that is 1984 nanofarads. Now again we have to calculate that capacitor charging current IC is equal phase voltage divided by XC. So just now we are calculated that phase voltage, that is voltage per phase, because they given line voltage as 33 kV. So 33 kV divided by root 3. The phase voltage is equal 19.05 kilovolts. So now substitute in the charging current per phase, that is phase voltage 19.05 into 10 power 3 divided by XC 1 by 2 pi FC. So now it becomes 19.05 into 10 power 3 into 2 pi fc. So here frequency means they given 50 hertz and the capacitance value is 1984 into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads, that is nanofarads. Therefore the overall charging current IC is equal to 11.87 amperes. Now the total charging kilovolt ampere reactance. The total charging current kilovolt ampere reactance means it is a three-phase transmission system. We can write 3 into phase voltage into charging current. Therefore 3 into 19.05 into 10 to the power of 3 into charging current 11.87. After doing simplification here, the total charging current, the total charging kilovolt ampere reactance, here we got 678.5 into 10 power 3 kilovolt ampere reactance. Thank you.